Good day my people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want us to draw an isometric drawing of this bracket here that we see over here. I guess that most people are mostly confused with circles, but this question was for sectional drawing, but I want us to draw it in an isometric. Okay, let's now draw. We're gonna draw it in an isometric view. All right, I'll start by just clean up here. I'll start by drawing up our line projection for isometric. Okay, now remember, isometric, we use 60 set square. I'm gonna draw a vertical line going up. I'm gonna draw a line over here. Add an angle, and also I'm going to draw another line over here at an angle of 30 degrees. Okay, now the second step that we have to do, we come to our drawing. We know this one is that we have a front and also the top. We know from the front we see total length, we see what? A total height. From the top we see total length and total breadth. So now, how much was total length? Total length now we know how from here to here is 100. 100 plus half of 50 is 25, meaning we're gonna say 100 plus 25 plus half of 60 is 30. We get 155. So you come here, I'm gonna write the ruler to measure. Okay, this can do much better. You can now measure. Here is our measurement. 155 is over here. So okay, now we must come for our total breadth and total height. Total height now we see from here going up there, of which is 65. Now another part is that total breadth. Our total breadth now we can see 60, and now we know over here 60. Okay guys, allow me to use starting point P, which side? Okay, since this is the front, he has to come here. Allow me to use my starting point over here, of which is this point here. Okay, now let's continue with our total length. There is 150. Okay, now what else do we have? We have a total height 65. Come over here and measure 65 is here. Okay, we have total breadth 60. 60 over here. And I'm gonna draw my vertical line here. Guys, please avoid by all means to use the 45. Always use our 60 set square. But looking at my ruler, I'm not happy with the measurement of the ruler. Okay. Okay. You're gonna have a line that goes that side there. We have another one over here going up. You have to join with this one over here. Goes up there. There must be somewhere there. There must be somewhere over here. Okay. Now we must take the corner this side. Get the line going up there. Now we have to join it with this one over here. It goes this side. Okay. Now we say, looking at our isometric, we have a total length, total height, total breadth. If if you can start by projecting this box, I think guys, that is the most important thing. Now we can see how many views we see. Now our front view must come here, left view and the top view. Okay. Now I'm gonna start by erasing this line over here, because we're gonna have a lot of lines guys over here. Now we have to find from the top, we have to find the center. Our center from the top is 30. Come over here, we're gonna have to measure 30. It was 60. 30 is our center, of which is this point over here. I'm gonna draw a line, which is my center line, going to other side. Okay. Now, after I've completed drawing the center line, in fact, I was trying to get this center that we see from the top. We must first start by projecting this circle over here. Okay. Now, how big is our circle? Our circle is 60, meaning now since I'm on the center, of this line, we know from here going there is 30 and our total breadth is 30. So, meaning now I can just simply measure 30 coming this side. Okay, here is 30. I have to draw a line going to the other side there. Okay, here is my center guys. Now I have to draw up a box, meaning if I have to draw a circle of 60, I have to draw a box of how much? 60, a square of 60. So since I've measured it was 60 here, 30 is a half, then I go here, it becomes 60. Okay, now I'm gonna draw a line going to the other side. Okay, I'll start by projecting this bigger circle that you see here. Remember guys, this top view, this is the front view. Okay, now I used to tell my students that if we have this box over here, we just look at the shortest corners, of which is this ones. So now you're gonna take it from this corner. You must draw a line coming to the center, that side there. Okay, now you must take again the one there on top. You must come to this center over here. Okay, now the last one that is left, I'm gonna take from this corner again here. I bring to the center here. Then now we're left with the last one, of which the last one we must take it from here going to the another corner, of which is the corner on the other side. So what I simply mean is, you take your compass from here, it goes to two centers. You take it from here to two centers. Now we're gonna use a compass to throw up our circle. Okay, now I'm gonna place my compass over here. I adjust it to this side. See, now it's the correct measurement. Now I can draw up my circle here. It's a half circle. I must bring it to the other side. I'm gonna place it there. Must check first. Comes from here. Okay, it goes up there. Sorry about that one, guys. Okay. Hey guys, I'm not happy with my compass. I'm gonna have to buy a new compass. Now I'm gonna place it here. I stretch it over the top. Take it from there, you must come over here. Okay. There we go. Now I must place it over here. Again, I take it from there. It slips a bit, I don't know why. So sorry about that guys. Because my compass just keeps on moving. There goes the right measurement. Okay, there goes our first circle. And looking at it again, we have the first circle, of which is the circle that you see over here. Okay, now I'm gonna have to draw a smaller circle, but now allow me to draw what? Draw it going down, because it starts from here, it goes down. So now what you can do is, you can just simply do this. Okay, now we are gonna, if this thing comes to the bottom side, we're only going to see half circle. Alright, now if we are only going to see our half circle, you take it from that corner over there, you draw a line. You don't have to draw a lot of boxes, of which it has to intersect with this corner here. You're gonna have to take this one again over here, you draw a line, you have another one there, draw a thin line, it comes over here. Okay, now we say how big is our cylinder. Our cylinder starts from here going up, of which is 65. So this is what we can do. From this point, you have to measure 65. Is over here. Again, you come there, you must measure 65. Okay, realize that our 65 is over here. All right, now also this one, you have to measure 65, meaning it's on the same line as that one. It has to be over here. Now you take your compass. If you place your compass from here, it comes here. Now if you place it here, it must come over somewhere down here. Okay, so meaning if we have to measure from this point going up, it has to be 65. Let me double check over here, guys. 65 is here. No, my point was just below. I've missed it with 5 millimeters. My point has to be below here. Okay, of which you must come and touch this line. Okay, same measurement, place it here, comes over there, it must touch our line somewhere down there. You can see it comes over to our line over here. Okay, now the next step that we have to do is, we're gonna take it from here. We check the measurement over there. We're gonna have to place it here. It connect with our, it must connect with our line there. It comes over there. Okay, now again we must come over this side, or we must place our compass there, of which the same line as that one there. But remember, let me place it here, it must touch the line here, coming somewhere here. Now this one must continue going to the other side there. Let me take the measurement again. The measurement was from here coming over to this line over here. Hope you guys can see that they intersect. So now what we're trying to do is, we'll try to draw this full cylinder. Okay, now next step, we remove this. I have to draw this circle, smaller circle of the diameter of 40. Where should I draw it? I'm going to draw it inside here. Okay, I have to erase this and leave my center lines. use our circle. Okay, let me just highlight the center lines that we had over here. We have the center line there, and the other one this side. Okay, I'm gonna have to draw the diameter. That circle that has a diameter of 20, so I have two center lines. Simply mean I have to measure 20 this side, 20, 20 from where? From the center. Okay, can't see my center line properly. Let me highlight it. Let's say 10, 20, 10, 20 is here. 10, 20, 20 on the other side. Remember, we're drawing this diameter of 40, of which is this circle over here. Okay. Let me just draw my lines before the lines disappear. Okay. Okay. Now, I have to measure it this way. 10, 20 is here. 10, 20 is here. Okay, let's double check the measurement again, guys. We know from here to the end there is 40, coming this side also is also 40. Okay, now we're gonna do what we are used to. Take from this point, you go there, take that other one here, it must come straight here, then over our ruler. I have to take this corner over here. The row line goes there. I take the one on top there. I come here. It must meet our center lines. Okay. Let me highlight our circle, guys. Our first circle that we had. Because I can see it's not clearly visible. Okay. Okay, I have this one also. Okay, now I can draw my smaller circle here. Oh my God, pass. Okay, the road must come over. It's a very small circle, that one, guys. Please be patient. You start over here. I'm going to take it from this point. I bring you to this point over here. first one here. Okay, I have to come for the second one, which is smaller circle. There you go. Let's come over to the other side. Oh, canvas is moving. Okay, I'm gonna place it up there. I'm trying to highlight my circle. Okay, there goes our circle there. Let me just erase the line that we're not gonna need. So now we'll be left with only the circles. There goes our two circles, guys. Okay, just remove that. Now, next step, interesting. We should have another circle over here, of which this is what we have there. Okay, how much is the diameter? The diameter is 50. So meaning I have to measure 50 from here going to the side. Okay, here is 50. I draw a line going up. Now again I have to measure 50 going up here. Here is 50. I have to join it with this line. The line going that side. This is that corner over there. Okay, now I have to find half of 50, of which is 25. 25 is here. On this side also, I must find half of 50. 25 is over here. Now I have to get my two center lines. Another line there. Another one. Looking at our corners, the shortest ones are these ones. So this is how you're gonna do it. You take this corner, it must go straight here to the center. You take this corner, this side, it must go straight to the center there. Okay. We'll take it here, it comes straight to this. Wait. No. We took this corner, it comes here. The other one has to be this one. Straight line here. Okay. Let me erase this one. Then the last one is this one. Remember, we take from this corner, you go to the center here. From this corner, go to the center. We take it from this corner, you come to the center here. From the corner to the center there. Let's draw our circle. I'm gonna place it where can I place my compass? I'm gonna place it here. I'm taking it from this corner over here. It must come over up there. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. You put straight to the corner, you check it first. Comes there, and I've missed it a bit. From there, comes straight here. From that corner there, it comes here. Now I'm left with two lines of which I'm gonna take it from here. I'm gonna draw the other arc. Which is over here. Okay. Another one, I'm gonna place my compass here. I must take it from this one here. I'll go to the other side. Okay, can you see it, guys? But now it says our circle is started here, it ends here. How do we see it? We see from the top, it starts here, from here. It must start here, it ends somewhere, that side. Okay, now, this is what we can do. Meaning this circle, it goes that side, this way. And again, it must start this side, this way. Now, how did we get this line over here? See this line over here? So I'm gonna start taking my corners. The first one is this one, the royal line there, this one, and that corner. This one in this corner there is the royal line. The other one is this one, the royal line going that side. Okay. Now, what do I do? How long is our cylinder? How long is our cylinder? From here to here is 60. Now, I'm gonna take this point here. I'm gonna measure 60. 60 is over here. Okay. I'm gonna take this one over here. I have to measure 60 also. 60 is over here. The last one there, I have to measure 60. 60 is over here. Okay. Now, this is how I'm going to do. This is how I'm gonna draw my circle. This compass, it was coming over here, drawing this arc, right? I'm gonna place it on this line, of which is this one here. I'm gonna place it here. See, I'm gonna take it from this corner there, and draw a line coming this side. Of which now you must be somewhere that side there. Take it from here, draw a line coming up there. Okay, now I'm gonna have to take this one, take the measurement, there. I'm gonna take the measurement from here, guys. I'm gonna take my measurement, it must touch this line over here. It gives me a little bit of an arc. Why? Because this line here, it will come over straight to this line over here. Okay, so now let me highlight. There goes our line there. There goes another cylinder. Sharp. Let me erase all the construction lines that so that you guys can see what was I doing. Okay. Difficult, maybe, I guess maybe it's not that difficult, guys. Just that it takes a long because of we have to draw a lot of cycles. Okay, this is what we have now. Now it says it moves from here. Okay, it goes to the center here. Where is our center? We knew that our center line was this line over here. This line over here. And now we knew that our center for this circle now, of which we had it here. Remember, this was our box. Here is our box. Our center line is here. Coming down, another one. Show you another center line. Another center line was this one. Okay. Remember, this is our center line for this circle. Okay. So now what we have to do is we must draw an arm that starts from here, go to the center of that arm. So how do we get it? We come over here on this arm. How high is our cylinder here? They say from bottom going up we must measure 25. Where is the bottom? That's what we're gonna have to do. Start somewhere here. Somewhere here. We must measure 25. 10, 20, 25 is here. How wide is our arm? How wide is our arm? Is 10 millimeters. So we have 5 here. 5 on the other side. Of which that 5 and 5 must come straight on this line here. And now how do we get it from this side also? We must get the center. Here's our center. You know the first 5 is here. The second one is here. Now this one we're gonna have to do. See, it comes aligned. Comes straight. Comes straight there. Another one. Comes straight here. Okay. There is our first arm. Our second arm must come somewhere on top here. Somewhere there on top, of which is this line. It's also 10, 10. Let's try to draw it, guys. When I use this ruler, we come over there. Then angle we know 5. Another 5 is here. Okay. How much is the center here? We know. Let me highlight again, guys, please. We have a 5 here. Another one has to be 5. It has to be here. Okay. So the other one was around there. 5 and 5 coming here. You see our line. Our line here also comes to the center. Where is the center? Here is the center here. How long is it? You see, remember, this is the front that we see there. Now we're trying to draw the top. To draw the center of the top, you are 30. You must measure from here. Go into the center there. Simply mean you're going to say 10, 20, 30 is here. From that 30, you're going to measure 5. Another 5 to this side. So they must intersect. So come straight over here. Okay. of which now we say that's a bit tricky. We have this arm and this arm. Where is the other arm of which it has to be parallel to this one? This arm there, in fact, it should come down something like this. Okay, remember we are moving on a cylinder. Let me check the height of an arm. It must come straight over here. And from here, from this point here, we must measure 25. 10, 20, 8, 10, 20, 25 is here. The other one that we're gonna have is at the bottom, and I have to erase this. Bottom line, I'm not gonna see it, but this one starts from the top here. Comes straight here. Okay, now let me draw. This time it's off 30. I'm gonna measure 15, 15, 15, 15. 15, 15. Can do vertical lines. Here's 15, another 15 is over here. So now this is what you can do. On here, I have to draw my smaller circle, put into the corners again here. I take it from this corner to the center there. Take from this corner, come over to this center. Okay. Again, I'm gonna take it from there. Which corner? I'm gonna take it from this corner over here. The rail line comes here. That corner on top of there, the rail line goes there. Okay. Okay, do another one from here. All right. Okay. Alright. Oh yes. Okay. Okay. Now this is what I'm gonna have to do now. I'm gonna have to take with the point on top there. Get a top point on top there. From up there, I must measure 40 coming downwards, of which is 40. 40 is from here to here. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my measurement again. It was for this circle. Now I'm gonna place it here. It must come straight here. So it comes like this. Okay. Trying to highlight my lines here. Oh yes. Okay guys, I think this is how it's gonna have to look like. So the issue took so long, the circles, a lot of circles are just a bit confusing guys. Yeah, I think that's how it looks like guys. I'm gonna have to post it. If you have any question, just put it on my comment section, then I'll attend to your question guys. Yeah, I'm just trying to do a lot of circles so that you guys can see on how we draw the circles. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you have any question, may you please post it on the comment section.